Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Grok High Demand Error problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I have solved the problem. Now first, check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. And second step, go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. Now search Grok, tap on Grok, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, tap on clear data. Now tap on delete, tap on back option, tap on permission, and now allow all permission. Now third step, open your Play Store app, search Grok and update your Grok. Tap on Grok. Your Grok app is updated. Now open. And finally, I hope solved your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.